like your outfit.
All right, guys. You know what time it is? It's time to set our twerking world record. It's going to be for the most people twerking at once.
It's going to be awesome. So with us, we have two officials from Record Setter, co-founders Dan Roman and Corey Henderson, who will adjudicate and ratify the record. So, everyone who wants to be a part of a world record, it's a big deal. Get out of your seats right now and on your feet. Everybody up. Everybody up.
Everybody up? We're going to set this world record. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, oh! Congratulations, everybody, on setting a new world record.
Okay, guys, that is it for T20 2013. Thank you so much.
That's it,
Good
guys.
night.
Thank you so much, Gibson Amphitheater. It's been fun. Take care, guys. Good night.
Can we do it live?